What do you do if you want some kind of stealth when doing ham radio? Well, you find a tiny antenna. This is a 140 centimeter whip, a little bit of a coil here. It's somewhat resonant on 20 meters, depending on conditions. Not sure if it's going to be today. 2 lengths of counterpoise, 4 meters each, and a tripod mount. Let's see if my compact stealth antenna works. And I'm not sure how well this shows up on camera, but we're basically under 2 SWR, about somewhere between 1.5 and 2 on the entire, or at least this portion of the 20 meter band, which should make for some results. We're going to try a little bit of phone first, and I fear that we need to bring out the tiny computer here and do some FT8 here. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Parks in the air. Any calls anywhere? Foxtrot 4 Foxtrot Tango Juliet. Hello Thomas. Good to hear you. You're 5 and 9. 59 over.
Oh, yes, many thanks, Martin. For 5 and you are 5 and 5 today. 5 and 5. Many thanks. Good afternoon, 73. Bye-bye.
Thank you for the 5 and 5 using a whip that's 140 centimeters long. So happy with the 5x5 France, and enjoy your Saturday. 73s. Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango Boomin Manuel 5 and 7. 5 and 7.
Yeah, booming. Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango also 5-7. Martin, thank you. Bye-bye.
So, as you can see here, I got the tiny computer up and the G90, but, well, I couldn't get digital to work today, and honestly speaking, I don't have the patience to troubleshoot this. But the antenna worked in sideband. I got 5 QSOs, and let me just get the log up here and see. 5 QSOs, Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. The K index is a 3 today, so I didn't actually think I'd get anything on sideband with this little thingy. But actually, I managed to get some. I'm guessing if conditions were better, this would be a lot better. But then again, an antenna like this is a huge, huge compromise. It's not meant to be the most efficient antenna. It's meant to be small, stealthy. You can, of course, question the stealthy part with the green base here, but let's call it stealthy. Compact and an easy antenna to pack if needed. So I'm going to call it quits now with 5 in the log and be happy about that. It's a bit windy, and it's not the day I want to spend down here doing radio and calling for another half an hour to get the last 5. I've activated this park plenty of time, already got a kilo in the park, so not really that necessary. But yeah, it works. I'm going to try this later on, probably a day with better conditions, and see what happens. Perhaps make a whip for 10 meters or other bands, or make a coil for 10 meters and other bands as well. But my point today, prove that it works, and yes, it does work. So happy about that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. Let me know down in the comments what you think about compact antennas like this. If you want to support the channel a little bit, there are buttons down below for memberships and super thanks and all that kind of things. But don't feel obliged to do that. I'll see you guys down the bands. I'll see you in my next video. 7-3, my friends.